So this is downtown Buffalo, New York. It's about 10 o'clock at night. We're gonna do a YouTube video. Usually I'm in Detroit, but I'm in Buffalo right now. And this is my first time being down here during the nighttime. So we'll see where we find these beautiful buildings around here. But to get the Holiday Inn right back there, and then we'll keep walking. First time being down here, so I don't really know the names of any of these buildings, but this is Main Street right here. You see that beautiful building right over there? It's raining a little bit, just enough to, I didn't want to do this video, but it's only drizzling, so it'll be okay. But anyways, this is a railing system that they got. You see those lights way down there that says Buffalo? I'm gonna do my best to keep this video going as long as I can. Feels like the rain's starting to pick up, but anyways, this is Main Street. I'm not too sure what that building is over there. We'll keep walking. It's pretty clean down here. I don't really feel like in danger or anything like that. You got some people hanging out over there. But yeah, downtown Buffalo is pretty nice. Older buildings, and you got, a lot of people hanging out. But it doesn't really feel like it's really dangerous at all. We're gonna wait. Sounds like Dominicans or something over there. This building right behind me is a bank building. I'm gonna turn around once I cross the street. See the dancing over there? Keep walking. But this is a Buffalo Savings Bank right here. I'll walk a little bit farther and then I'll turn back around. See, that's the rail right there that they got going on. So that's what they got going on. I'm not too sure how far it goes though. See, that's the bank. But yeah, I didn't even know that was in Buffalo until recently. But they got that going on down here. Hyatt Regency. This is about 20 minutes from Niagara Falls. I like it. You can see some of the buildings are abandoned. You got Starbucks. But so far, I like this. I like this city. It's a little bit on the abandoned side, I'm not gonna lie. It does feel like that. But at the same time, sometimes you wanna go to a city and it's not that packed. Then Buffalo seems like it would be a good city. And then you got Niagara Falls. That's like right by here, about 20 minutes away. You got some graffiti. I'm trying to be cautious and then worrying about the rain. But I'm liking what I see down here. Don't feel any danger at all. We're gonna keep going. I'm gonna try to keep this video 10 minutes. Keep walking. Buffalo Cigars. But yeah, it's like about 10, 15. I don't see too many places open. And then this is Main Street in Mohawk. Try not to videotape people. Keep walking. Surviving Crisis, the burning of Buffalo. So they got a lot of historical stuff just posted up for people to read. This is another spot right here where you can get on that metro that I showed you. I don't see anybody here. So it's a metro system map. Metro fares. So you get a ticket right there, and you go on. I'm not too sure how far it goes though. I'll be honest with you. We'll keep on walking. As you can see, there's nobody out. I see a security guard over there. I'm gonna cross the street. If you hear a little bit of squeaking in the video, I'm carrying a camera bag. So that's what that is. It's interesting being in a city when there's nobody. You know, when you're in a big city and there's nobody around, it feels a certain type of way. I have been seeing a lot of police out, just kind of cruising around, which is a good thing. You know, you want things to be secure. You're gonna see the City Hall in about 30 seconds. Hilton Garden Inn. You got, see that place is vacant. So about half and half. No, I would say no more than that. There are quite a few abandoned businesses. I'm noticing that though. Yeah, you're gonna see right here. I'm gonna try to zoom in when I look right, because it's beautiful. It's the City Hall, Buffalo City Hall down there. I'm gonna cross the street while I look down there, but that big building down there, that's the Buffalo City Hall. And I'm gonna hurry up so I don't get cut by the bus, get hit by the bus. And you got that over there. We're gonna keep walking. This is it, downtown Buffalo. You're seeing it right now. Between 10 and 10:30 at night. And it's like I have the whole city to myself. I don't see anybody down there. There was a food vendor here earlier. Buffalo Niagara. We'll go down here. Trying to video as much as I can. That's a big building up there. We'll come down here. I want to keep it at 10 minutes. We'll take a gamble that there's something up here on the right. There's a cool thing up in the top there. Looks like the Statue of Liberty. But if you like historical cities and cities that aren't that populated, and plus you have Niagara Falls right close to here, then I would check out Buffalo. It doesn't look like too bad of a place. You know, it's not like Miami where it's gonna be packed with people, which is kind of a good thing. You know, if you wanna come to a big city with not that many people. A lot of Bills fans too. So we'll take a look down here. So that's down there. That's the public library. We'll come back down here. And this video in about another minute. Let me know what you think in the comments below about downtown Buffalo at night. I'm normally in the city of Detroit doing videos, but wherever I go, the videos go. And I like doing it, so I'm gonna be doing it for a long time. So I really appreciate any subscribers. I'm gonna do some photography and call it a night, but let me know what you think of downtown Buffalo. And thanks again for checking out my video.